Guilt keep you trapped in past, while forgiveness sets you free. Hi, welcome to day number 27 of 100 Days of Hope, No Healing, where every single day we are working on raising our emotion, elevating our energy, and becoming an empowered version of ourselves. We often feel guilty about what we have done in past, thinking maybe I could have done it better, maybe I could have responded better. I didn't do enough. I didn't took my responsibility appropriately. And all these kind of a self guilt, self judgment that we carry on, we keep living in the past. And you think the growth can happen if you will stay in past. It's not at all possible. The growth is in future, or better to say in the present, because in the present you work to create a future. So it's really important you come into the present, but you can't if you keep holding what has happened in past. So this guilt is a kind of a magnet which is pulling you towards past. And the only way to get yourself released is through forgiveness. Hope No No is actually a beautiful technique to forgive ourselves. Whenever we fall into trap of guilt or shame or disappointment, that's really important that we release that there itself. The moment we start to forgive ourselves, we set ourselves free from all those entanglements. And that's how Hope No No help us. Every statement of Hope No No, when you say, I'm sorry, we are seeking forgiveness. We are grounding ourselves. When we say, please forgive me, we openly asking, we with the confidence asking forgiveness from ourselves. And when we say thank you, we actually are thanking for all the time that we took stand for ourselves. So today, I really want you to identify what is that one thought for which you feel guilty most of the time, which is impacting your self-love. Because more you stay in guilt, you will not be able to love yourself. And if you won't be able to love yourself, you will not feel that confidence in you, because confidence is automatically happens when you start loving each and every part of you, even that part which made mistakes in past. Let it go. Set it free. Come to reality. Today you have a lot to achieve. Today you can do much better. You are even more sensible because you have learned from those past mistakes. Because it's not bad in making mistakes, but it's bad in repeating those mistakes or not learning from it. And once you have learned from it, you really don't need to carry that burden. So today, without any doubt and confusion, start forgiving yourself. Identify one incident that actually keep haunting you repeatedly and start forgiving yourself, saying, I'm sorry, I kept blaming you for all the mistakes. Please forgive me for not letting you free, that I didn't forgive you for all that you did in past. Thank you so much for letting me free today. And I love you as I feel that love the moment I forgive. Repeat it 4 to 5 times and afterwards start chanting Hope No No, saying I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you for 108 times. And once you have done it, chat. And once you have done it, write in the comment below, I accept myself the way I am. With that, let's close the day number 27. I'm really happy to come this far with you. And there will be yet another interesting theme for the next 10 days, starting from day number 31. All right, for now, let me take your permission. We'll see you tomorrow. Till then, happy Hope No No.